Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. Well, if you've been following my videos, you know that I've been missing for a few weeks. But I'm here at my son's house and watching the kids and had a couple chicken breasts. I thought I'd convert them into some good old-fashioned chicken nuggets, homemade style. Want to see how that worked out? Come follow me along on this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, so I sliced 2 chicken breasts into nugget-sized pieces. Slice them down. That one's nice and tender. This one's a little tough. I noticed the skin's a little tough, so I'm going to fillet the skin away from the chicken tenders. That way we have nice, tender chicken nuggets. Let's throw away the tough skin, keep the tender nuggets. There you go. 2 chicken breasts, sliced into nugget-sized pieces. A little bit of cooking oil, 1/8 of a cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of Montreal Chicken Seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Montreal garlic and herb seasoning, a couple teaspoons of garlic powder. Mix that all together. You know what? There's not enough spices. Let's do it again. This time we're going to add some salt. Mix that all together. Okay, time to heat up some cooking oil in the cooking pan. Add the first batch of nuggets to the frying pan. And I'm going to stir them around over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes or until they're cooked through. First batch is complete. Giving me a little bit of a tough time getting out of that pan. We'll get it. There you go. Time for round 2. Same thing. Stir them around over medium heat, 5 to 7 minutes, or until they're cooked through. Add a little bit more cooking oil so that we can make it fry better. Second batch is complete. Look at that, folks. Oh, yeah. Better, fresher, more tender than anything you can buy in the store or at your fast food restaurant. I highly recommend it. Have a great week. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Thanks for sharing and being part of my life. You know the drill. When the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that, cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and definitely go with Jesus. You can't go wrong. We'll see you next week.